Hello everyone, you're welcome once again to my channel. This is Dozier Telbert channel and my name is Dozier. It's good to have you around once again, and today we'll be talking about something that is very important, especially if you're a student, a professional, or someone who is seeking to improve his or her career or acquire more skills. So what are we going to talk about today? In this video today, I'm going to tell you what I do. Is what I do actually. I'm going to show you how I find some professional courses for free. How I find some professional courses for free. Courses like Facebook ads, digital marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, project management, and the rest of them. How I find these courses for free, or short-term courses that can improve your skills and improve your marketability. So if this is the kind of things you would want to know, I want you to hang on this video until the end, and you would see I will show you one simple step I follow to get my courses, to get all these trainings for free. As I move to my laptop screen, I will show you step by step process I follow, and guess what? It's a no-brainer. Okay, so the platform that I'm going to show us where we'll take these professional courses is a platform known as Udemy. Udemy.com. Udemy.com. Udemy has one of the most affordable courses that you can use to upskill your skill or upskill yourself professionally. So Udemy has one of those most affordable, quite affordable courses than others. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be looking at Udemy, how to get Udemy courses for free. How to get Udemy courses for free. And as you stay with me, I'm going to show you how I really do this shortly. Okay, so here I come to my Facebook. You might be wondering what's the relationship between Udemy and Facebook, but I'm going to show us right now in a very simple step how I've been able to use Facebook to find free Udemy courses. And I'll still show us some of the courses on Udemy that I got for free. Some of them, in fact, many of them I've not really finished. I need to finish that. So I'll come to the search bar here. I'll come to the search bar of my Facebook account. I will type Udemy coupon. Okay, let me just type the keyword Udemy so you see the drop down. So once you come to the search bar, you are trying to search for groups that gives free coupons to join courses. Now the first we are seeing is Udemy coupon 100% free. You are seeing the second search icon, Udemy free courses. It will show you the list, any content on Facebook that is related to free Udemy course. You get it here. You see Udemy free coupons. You see, so let me search the keyword Udemy free courses 2022. Let's see what pops up. Okay, so right here we are seeing some. Let me click see all. We are seeing. Okay, so once I click on see all, it's going to bring down a pop-up of different groups to join, or to follow. And once they post, one good thing is, okay, like this first Udemy free courses, I am a member already. That's why it's showing visit, but I can choose to follow this one. It has 37k. Okay, I follow the group. I follow this. I can choose to follow as many groups as possible. And once I join these groups, they post course makers. They come and they post their courses. They post their courses for free. At that point, when they send those courses, maybe the first 30 minutes to 1 hour, sometimes This coupon could last for 30 minutes, could last for 1 hour, it could actually last for 24 hours or 48 hours, depending on how long this course creators wants to leave this coupon free, how long they want to leave it for free. So one thing I do is, as I join this group, once I get notification and it's a course that interests me, let's see some courses here. New Udemy courses added September. So once we keep going down, we can see CSS. We can see different courses for this particular group. This is not for all other groups. So you can choose to join as many groups as possible and learn how they and see some courses with coupon, free courses that you can jump on that interest you. And anyone that you find interesting, anyone that interests you, you can actually sign up immediately and start the courses. And trust me, these courses are so powerful. I'll be leaving the link to Udemy at the description of this video. So if you'd want to sign up on Udemy, you can use the link, or you can just Google, or you can Google Udemy, or just search or go to udemy.com. But I'm going to leave the description at the bottom of this video. So like I told us, let me show you some of the courses in my Udemy account. So right here, right now, you can see on my dashboard I have about 5 unfinished courses. I have about 5 about 5 unfinished courses to take, and these courses I got them free. These are coupon courses. I got 100% free. I didn't pay a dime. And these courses, once I'm done, I'll get certified. So if you would want to do exactly or get this benefit or upgrade your skill, like I said at the beginning of this video, this might be something you may want to try out today. So if this video, you found interest in this video, please do well to give it a like. You can comment on the comment section, that would be nice. Or you can also share this video so that people who need this information can get it as you're getting it today. So thank you for watching.